The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a breathtaking combination of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. As Ferrari's flagship convertible Grand Tourer, it continues the legacy of open-top V12 excellence while pushing the boundaries of performance and design. With its aggressive yet refined aesthetics, this supercar is designed to command attention on every road it touches. The sculpted bodywork enhances aerodynamics while maintaining the signature Ferrari styling that enthusiasts adore. Every curve and detail serves a purpose, optimizing airflow and ensuring high-speed stability. Under the hood, the 812 GTS boasts a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an astonishing 830 horsepower. This beastly power plant enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest convertible Ferraris ever built. The exhilarating top speed exceeds 211 miles per hour, showcasing Ferrari's relentless pursuit of high-performance engineering. The engine is paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and exceptional responsiveness. The driving dynamics are further enhanced by Ferrari's latest electronic controls, including rear-wheel steering and an advanced traction management system. These features allow for razor-sharp handling and an engaging driving experience whether on the track or the open road. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS exudes luxury and sportiness. High-quality materials such as premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara create an atmosphere of refinement. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring a digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system. Ferrari has also integrated advanced connectivity features, ensuring that drivers stay informed and entertained without compromising the driving experience. The retractable hardtop roof opens in just 14 seconds, allowing drivers to enjoy the full symphony of the V12 engine with the wind in their hair. Even with the top down, the aerodynamic design minimizes turbulence, offering a comfortable ride. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing both performance and safety. The latest version of Ferrari's side-slip control system ensures optimal power distribution for maximum grip and stability. Adaptive suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing a balance between comfort and sportiness. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring carbon ceramic discs that deliver exceptional stopping power. These innovations make the 812 GTS not just a performance monster but also a confident and refined Grand Tourer for long journeys. Ferrari has also introduced new customization options for the 2025 model. Buyers can choose from a range of unique paint colors, wheel designs, and interior trims to make their 812 GTS truly one of a kind. Whether opting for a classic Rosso Corsa finish or a bespoke color combination, Ferrari ensures that every owner gets a car T.